Good afternoon and welcome. I am Mary Christine Jackman, Commissioner of the Department of Finance, Assistant Commissioner of the Department of Finance, Treasurer for the City of New York. I represent the New York City Commissioner of Finance, Preston Niblick, on the Banking Commission. I would like to start by introducing the other members of the Banking Commission. Mayor Adams' representative, Special Counsel, Chief Strategy Officer for the First Deputy Mayor, Tanya Generette, and Comptroller Lander's representative, Deputy Comptroller for Policy, Annie Levers. The primary purpose of today's meeting, dated May 25th, 2023, is for the Banking Commission to approve a list of reviewed financial institutions as official depositories for the City of New York, more commonly known as the New York City designated banks. The Commission would like to welcome the members of the public who have joined us today. We look forward to hearing from those who signed up to comment before the start of today's meeting. The Commission members have read all the written testimonies submitted prior to today. A recording of these proceedings will be posted on the Banking Commission webpage of the Department of Finance website. All written testimonies submitted will become part of the official record of today's meeting. We will begin the meeting with roll call. Tanya Generette, Special Counsel, Chief Strategy Officer for the First Deputy Mayor.
Present.
Annie Levers, Deputy Comptroller for Policy, Representative for the Comptroller's Office.
Present.
Mary Christine Jackman, Assistant Commissioner and Treasurer. Present. We have a quorum and we can now conduct the business of the meeting. Acceptance of the May 11th, 2023 minutes. The next agenda item is the acceptance of the minutes from the May 11th, 2023 Banking Commission meeting, when the Commission's fiscal year 2024 discount late payment rate recommendations to the City Council were approved. The draft minutes of this Banking Commission meeting were previously distributed to the Banking Commission members for review. Are there any comments or corrections to the May 11th, 2023 Banking Commission meeting minutes?
None.
If there are no comments or corrections to the minutes, may I please have a motion to approve the minutes of the May 11th, 2023 meeting?
Motion to approve.
May I please have a second?
I'll second the motion.
All in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? Motion carried. Ms. Generette, you had a comment you wanted to make?
Yes, thank you and good morning. My name is Tanya Generette and I am the mayoral designee to the Banking Commission. The core responsibility of the Banking Commission is to approve banks as New York City designated banks, which means they are allowed to hold city deposits. This happens as part of a biennial process. Under Mayor Adams' leadership, the city has made clear that we hold designated banks and those seeking to become designated banks to very high standards. In April of last year, the mayor and Comptroller Lander announced that we would not open new depository accounts with a bank following reports of widespread discrimination against Black homeowners. And just last week, we announced stronger measures to assess bank financials as part of the designation process. The new criteria that we're introducing will examine banks' unrealized losses and uninsured deposits, as well as their capitalization ratios. We know that recent turmoil in the banking sector has caused anxiety for so many New Yorkers. These measures are critical to protecting taxpayer funds and ensuring our city remains on firm fiscal footing. I want to thank our fellow members of the Commission, including Comptroller Lander and New York City Treasurer Mary Christine Jackman for their partnership, and I look forward to today's discussion. Thank you.
Thank you. Next item on the agenda is the formal recognition of the Community Reinvestment Act, otherwise known as CRA ratings. The next is the formal recognition of those ratings. Pursuant to Title 22 of the Rules of the City of New York, RCNY, Section 1-03C4, The Banking Commission shall rate the community service of each bank filing for designation, and the basis of such rating shall be the
Tom Bonamino, Senior Executive Vice President at Flushing Bank. Flushing Bank serves an important role in the community, in addition to providing lending, banking services throughout the borough. Our employees are actively involved in volunteer activities and community outreach programs, including financial literacy initiatives. These activities have helped us maintain an outstanding CRA rating for the past 6 consecutive years. One critical role
Lending, mortgage disparity, and degradation of our environment to be able to hold the city's money. And in allowing this to happen, the Banking Commission is empowering and reinforcing bank practices that are harming our communities and our neighborhoods. I want to respectfully slightly modify and add some color to a previous testimony that the New York Bankers Association.
Thank you, everyone. We really appreciate your insights, your input, your thoughts. It's been very, very helpful and very enlightening for this commission to hear each of you. And we're honored that the senator has stopped by to see us. Thank you so much. Now we're going to continue with the business at hand, the designation of New York City depository banks. The next item on the agenda is the designation of banks that are permitted to handle city funds. Pursuant to Section 1524 of the New York City Charter, the Banking Commission shall designate banks in which all monies of the City of New York shall be deposited. The Banking Commission has promulgated rules contained in Title 22 of the Rules of the City of New York, RCNY, which set forth the requirements for designation of depository banks. In accordance with Title 22 RCNY, the following proposed resolution is for the Commission's approval to designate the following banks as New York City depository banks for a 2-year period commencing May 25th, 2023. Resolution number 2, approval of New York City depository banks for 2023. Whereas, pursuant to Section